Question 37. The hydrogen ion concentration of a solution whose pH is 3.7 would be A. 2 times 4 to the power negative 4 mole per dm cubed. B. 2 times 10 to the power negative 4 mole per dm cubed. B. 2 times 10 to the power negative 3 mole per dm cubed. C. 2 times 10 to the power negative 1 mole per dm cubed. D. 2 times 10 to the power negative 2 mole per dm cubed. The correct answer is A. 2 times 10 to the power negative 4 mole per dm cubed. Explanation. Remember the formula that pH equals negative log of the concentration of hydrogen ions. So that means hydrogen ion concentration will be 10 to the power negative pH. So now that we know the pH to be equal to 3.7, we can have the concentration of the hydrogen ions to be 10 to the power negative 3.7. So to calculate this without a calculator, we can think about it like this: 10 to the power negative 3.7 equals 10 to the power negative 4 minus 0.3, because 4 minus 0.3 is the same as 3.7. okay, so this will give you the same base, which is 10 to the power 0.3, positive 0.3, because negative 1 times negative 0.3 will give you positive 0.3 times 10 exponent negative 4, because negative 1 times positive 4 will give you negative 4. Now think about common log values. Common log values, we know that log 1 is 0. Log 2 is approximately 0.3. Log 3 is also approximately 0.48. So if you look at this, we have 10 to the power 0.3, which will be log 2. okay, so this is approximately 2 times, and then you add this section, times 10 to the power negative 4 mole per dm cube. So this is your answer. Like I said earlier, you can do this with a calculator and then you get the same answer. One key hint for you to remember is that the lower the pH, the more hydrogen ions you have.